Guys and girls, this is another example of balancing an equation. This equation is a little more complicated than the first one, but we can use the same strategies that we used for the first equation to make this one balance as well. So like the first equation, I'm going to set up a table underneath my arrow, and the point of my table is to keep track of each element that's involved in my equation, how many I have on the left side, and how many I have on the right side. On the left side, it looks like there's no subscript next to the Fe, so I only have one. There's a subscript of 2 next to hydrogen and 1 next to oxygen. Now on the right-hand side, it looks like I have 3 irons, I have 2 hydrogens, and I have 4 oxygens. So as we're starting off, it looks like hydrogen's balanced, but Fe, the iron, is not, and O, the oxygen, is not either. In a case like this, pick one element at a time to balance. Don't try balance all of them at once. You're just going to end up getting lost in all the numbers. So I'm going to go from top to bottom. I'm going to pick Fe first. I have 3 Fe's on this side, only 1 on this side, so I need to triple the amount of Fe I have. I'm going to put a 3 in front, and then 3 times 1 is 3 Fe. So I'm going to update my table down here. Now it looks like Fe is balanced, H is balanced, O on the other hand is not balanced, so I need to balance that. I have 4 oxygens on this side, only 1 here, so I actually need to quadruple, or times by 4, the amount of O's on this side. Well, the only way I can do that is to put a 4 in front of this. And when I do that, I need to update for every element in this equation, or in this compound, that affects. So that's going to affect hydrogen. I now have 4 times 2, or 8 hydrogens, and 4 times 1, or 4 oxygens. All right, now I got to check my table again. It looks like Fe is balanced, O is balanced, H is not balanced anymore. I have 8 on this side. I only have 2 on this side, so I need to quadruple the amount of H I have. So I'm going to put a 4 in front of that. 4 times 2 is 8 hydrogens. And now it looks like I have the same amount of each element on each side, so that one's balanced. This was a little more complicated equation, but using the same strategy, making a table, going one element at a time, and updating my table whenever I changed a coefficient here is what helped me to actually balance this one.